All right, y'all, so we have been trying to grow the Keto Brick business, the Keto Savage business, the empire as effectively and as efficiently as possible. Crystal and I have been at wit's end to try and figure out where to allocate our resources, where to put our money, where to invest in our assets, and just everything has been total, utter chaos, but we've loved every minute of it. We have acquired a new asset to the team. It's gonna be a great investment. I think it's gonna be great for the Keto Brick endeavors. It's gonna be great for the overall morale. Super, super excited about it, and it is behind this black cloth right now. So Crystal and I are gonna unveil this huge asset to the team. Get ready. You ready, babe? You excited about this, babe?
Yes, I am.
All right, 1, 2, ready, go.
Hey guys, my name is Brandon Clark. I'm married, I have 5 kids, and I was a police officer for 15 years in Lynchburg, Virginia. And I saw the YouTube announcement, figured I'd take a shot, got the job, and extremely excited to be a part of Keto Brick. I've been keto for 2 years and it changed my life, and I'm ready to have an impact through this company.
And we're super, super excited to have him. I've seen this guy deadlift, I've seen this guy work. It's gonna be good. You ready, Crystal?
So ready.
Yeah. All right, see y'all next time.